Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule a Mexican visa appointment. This is very important because without an appointment, you won't be able to submit your application at the embassy or consulate. So this step is required before anything else. So before we do anything, first go to the official Mexican embassy or consulate website for your country. So this is where you'll find the appointment system. So make sure that you're on the correct site so that your booking is valid. So once you're there, look for the visa or consular services section. So from here, find the option to schedule an appointment. So some website will ask you to create an account first. So just enter your basic details like your name, email, and password. So after logging in, choose the type of visa that you're applying for. It's also very important to select the correct one so that you get the right appointment slot and requirements. Next, pick your preferred date and time. So you'll usually see a calendar with available slots. So choose a schedule that works for you. But try to book early because slots can fill up easily or fast. Because slots can fill up fast. So then confirm your appointment, double check all your details before submitting, and once it is confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep a copy of this because you may need to show it when you go to your appointment. So that's it. As long as you follow these steps, you'll be able to secure your visa appointment without any issues. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.